The first thing you should do is have your phone ready. The next step is to open YouTube and select a video to view, after which you'll be paid in cold hard cash for doing so. So, all you have to do is view a YouTube video, which is exactly what you're doing right now by watching our video, and you'll be paid right away. Isn't that amazing? In today's video, the strategy is simple and ideal for newbies who have never earned a penny in their lives. It's also completely free, so you won't have to invest or pay for anything. It's free so you can keep earning money without spending any, which is exactly what we want. It's available all over the world, which is fantastic and exactly what we need to do because we want our method to be accessible to everyone. Now, we're going to walk you through today's entire process step by step so you don't get lost or anything like that. And we're also going to drop some crazy tips for you today to triple your income, so make sure you watch the entire video from beginning to end. This will be a simple way to earn money online in 2022. I'll show you how to make money rapidly by leveraging the greatest and most effective platforms. If you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Before we get into this brand new content, keep in mind that we release new ways to make money online every day, so make sure you complete watching the video and stay tuned anytime we release a new method so you can be the first to test it out. Like and post in the comments section below to help us with the YouTube algorithm and achieve a larger audience. Please support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you want to be notified whenever I publish a new video, click on that red subscribe button and turn on notifications, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. Now, we want you to open up this website that I'm going to show you in a bit, and this is how their website should look like. This website allows us to watch videos to earn money. As you can see, these are the most recent withdrawals made, and these are pretty big numbers. We're talking real money here. So let's go ahead and sign up on this website, and to do so, just click on join in the upper right corner of the homepage, and that should take you here. So now you're going to want to fill up all of the details being asked of you, so your username, email, password, your location, and then do the CAPTCHA, and then hit on join as soon as you complete that, and then boom, there you have it, your own personal Follow Fast account. Now, before anything else, make sure that you confirm your email address, so go ahead and open up your email inbox and look for an email and then click on the link right here, and that's gonna automatically open up your now verified and activated account. Now, we're inside our account and we're currently on our dashboard, and basically you're gonna see all the things you can do on here to earn money, and then you're gonna see how many points you currently have over here. So basically everything that you may need you can find on the dashboard. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know, so make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. So let's continue. Now it's time to focus on making money, and since we're going to be focusing on watching videos, we're going to be clicking on one of the YouTube icons up here, and we're going to choose YouTube Plays. So you're going to click on that, and then you're going to be taken here. So now you're going to see that there's already a YouTube video waiting for you to play it, so you can immediately make money from it, which is great because this entails that you won't be having to manually go on YouTube and look at watch videos yourself. You can just watch it and click it from Follow Fast, and then you can earn it just like that. No hassle at all, and that's exactly what we're going for. So click on the play button, and as soon as you click on play, it's gonna open up the video on YouTube. So you're automatically on the video already, so it's super easy. As soon as your 35 seconds are done on the video, it's gonna exit itself, and then you're gonna have another video already waiting for you, and you should see your points adding up as you finish a video each time. Obviously, the more videos you watch, the more money you can make, and you can watch videos an unlimited number of times because there's always gonna be a video available that you can watch and earn points from that you can eventually exchange for cash. Now, if you notice, you also have the option to skip a video. So if you're someone who wants to actually watch the video and wants to find videos that actually interest you and that you're gonna enjoy so that you can do your work well, you can choose to watch or skip a video that you still won't run out of videos, which is great. So just keep playing and just skip what you don't want. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and share this video with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment down below if you loved it. If you liked it, subscribed, turned on the notification bell, and left a comment down below, that will be awesome. If we receive 1,000 comments on this video saying I will make money in 2022, we'll release a fantastic new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can make money doing simple things like this. So, if this video receives 2,022 likes, we'll release an incredible brand new video that might be even crazier than all of this. So, With that said, it's time to go back to work and earn some cash. Now, a tip that I usually share is that to increase the speed of the video. This way, you can watch the videos much faster, and if you don't want to skip any of the videos because you think it would be a waste of time, but you also don't want to be bothered by it, you can mute the video and open whatever tab you want to open and do other things. The video will just exit itself once the 35 seconds is over, then you can just repeat the process, so it's super great that way. Now, there are a lot of other things that you can do on here, like you can also earn by subscribing or liking or whatever else, so that's great too. There's also a Facebook option that you can like, comment, maybe promote. There's also Instagram where you do the same thing. You can share, you can like, you can comment. Same thing for Twitter. Retweet, favorite a tweet, reply to a tweet, and other platforms as you can see over here. There are also other daily bonuses and the link, so there's really more ways than one to earn using this platform, which is always a great thing, because that means there's a lot of opportunities in only one website, which translates to more money. Now, if you want to cash out, all you have to do is press this cash out button on your dashboard, and then that should take you to here. Then you can choose your payment method, and if you don't find what you're looking for, there's always an option that they suggest to you. That option is gonna let you get your payment method going, then once you successfully request for your payment, you just wait 3 to 5 days, and just like that you can get paid. So, as you can see, you're gonna have to convert your payment method to the payment method that you want, the payment method that you can cater to. So before we wrap everything up, let's go through a little recap. So you're gonna wanna open up our first website, which is at followfast.com. You're gonna join the website, sign up for a free account, and then as soon as you're done signing up for a free account, you're gonna go through all of the options and making money focus on YouTube plays. Go ahead and click on play to watch the videos, mute the videos if you want to, speed it up if you want to, skip whatever you don't want to watch everything that you want to watch, see your points increase, and then click on cash out when you're ready to cash out, and then exchange those points into cash. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial. If you made it to the end, just know that if you decide to step up, you'll start making money. Don't let your emotions control you, get up and start doing whatever I showed you in this video. This is the end of the video. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for staying with us. Make sure you check out the previous videos on our channel. We upload every single day, and all you gotta do is like my channel and turn on the notification bell. Like this video, share this video with a friend, and leave a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. If you want to see more money-making videos, go to the next video, which will pop up on the screen after this tutorial. So, until next time, we'll see you in the next videos.